Can I get a bird? Dad, can I get a bird? Why?
Because they're nasty.
They're nasty?
Yep.
Are you terrified of them or something?
I can't stand them flying fox.
You can't stand this flying fox? Dad, can I get a bird? Why not?
No.
Why not? I want a parrot. I can teach him how to say, Mama got big boobs. Yeah. Can I? Can I bring over the neighbor's bird? Why not?
I'll take my golf club and whack it.
What golf club?
The one that you use and hit the closet with. My putter.
Oh, that one?
Before we start, Miss Scott, I just have one question for you. Can I have you
I haven't seen that actually in a while.
79. Great. Mr.
Ah.
Muhammad, you and Miss Scott.
Dad, can I get a bird? Why not? Are you like terrified of freaking
I hate
birds?
the flying fox
Why do you hate the flying fox?
because they're just nasty.
So I can't get a bird. I can't.
Lived there with her. You shared.
You're so mean.
Was there anyone else who lived in the home? Where were you living
Bailey.
prior to May of 2000?
So wait, we can have 2 dogs that you're allergic to, but we can't have a bird.
I can take pills to get over the allergies. It's called Benadryl.
Of Miss Scott's home, October the 4th.
Yeah, well there's one.
Did you cease
And
to
vacuum every day.
October the 3rd, the day before I moved?
Who vacuums their house every day? Are you flicking me off?
Did you find a new place to live?
I thought you were-
Alone? Yes. When did you sign a lease for that place? October the 4th. When did you locate your place? About 3 days.
No, you gotta be kidding me. So wait, I definitely can't get a bird.
You and I are gonna have a problem. Why is that?
You're so mean. He's so mean to me.
If what you told me that